So as you can see, everything's still pretty mucky. Actually, you probably can't see because of the sun, but our chicken run is pretty muddy. Obviously it's new, so at the time there was actually quite a bit of grass and everything growing there, but yeah, it's a pretty muddy area. So what we're gonna do is we pruned all of our fruit trees, and so we have this big old pile here of everything that we've pruned. But what we're going to do is we're going to chip this up and put that into the chicken run so our chickens won't have muddy feet, because chickens do not like muddy feet. So that's what we're going to do today. The chipper shredder we got, it's called the Taz, and we got ours from Menards. It was actually on sale. I don't know, it was like $400, and then there was like the 11% discount that Menards is always running, so we got a kickback from that too. So all in all, I think it was like about $368 that we paid for it, which sounds like a lot, but I tell you what, we are going to get so much use out of this that it was well worth the money. The coop was pretty muddy, but we pretty much had already decided that we wanted to do the deep mulch system in the chicken coop. And I mean, there's a few reasons we wanted to do it. Obviously, chicken don't like muddy feet, but it's also a super easy way to keep it clean. It neutralizes the odor. It's super easy to maintain. The chickens love it. It gives them something to peck and scratch at so that they're not so bored and pecking at each other. But the number one reason that we wanted to do the deep mulch system was compost. It'll be great for the garden. We knew that we wanted to try to back to Eden style gardening. We haven't really talked about it much on our channel. I'm sure you'll hear more about it as time goes on when we actually get the garden going. But it's basically a lot of wood chips and compost. So that was one of the reasons that we knew that going ahead and spending the money on a chipper would actually be beneficial for us in the long run. Having good compost is almost as good as having gold to a gardener. There's just so much of the nutrients that goes back into the ground that helps the garden grow. And being as we have, I mean, it always seems like we always have a brush pile sitting around that we usually just burn. So being able to turn that into wood chips and then being able to turn the wood chips into compost, I mean, it just kind of seemed like a no-brainer for us. We have about 9-ish acres of woods, I guess, and we're hoping maybe by next winter we will have an outdoor wood burner, which means we're going to be cleaning our woods up, and that means we're going to have a ton of brush. And then obviously we're going to be mulching that, so we are going to have a boatload of mulch, which is a good thing because, you know, doing the back to Eden style gardening, we're going to need a lot of mulch. You know, we're going to use it obviously in the chicken pen so that that can be turned into compost, but we're also going to be using it in the garden, which I love that idea because that means less weeding for me. And I mean, who really likes to weed their garden? I mean, some people might, but I'm not one of those people. And then we'll also have mulch, hopefully, to go around even the trees in the orchard. So, yeah.
There you go. You would carry all this at once. That's what I like about this little chipper. You can see it. On big wheels. Roll along with you.
The top part, I don't know, I call it the belly, but it's good to use for like leaves, and this was last year's tomato plants, so yeah, just going ahead and shredding that up, and it'll go in the chickens too.
Yep, we got that mess cleaned up. You can see the one behind me. It's cleaned up. You can see that mess is cleaned up. So, shoot, we did all right today. And the biggest deal of it is, get the chickens something besides mud to run around in. And they make compost out of it. Wonderful.